How to send USD PayPal to Wise. Need to move your PayPal funds into Wise? Here's the simple way to transfer USD step by step. So, first, link a local bank account to PayPal. This account will act as a bridge between PayPal and Wise. And then log into PayPal, go to the wallet section, and then once you're on the wallet section, simply select transfer funds, withdraw your USD balance to the linked bank account. Processing usually takes about 1 to 3 business days. Now open the Wise app, go to the Balances tab, add money, and choose the bank transfer and use the same bank account you linked to PayPal. Once the money arrives in your bank, deposit it to Wise. Wise shows you the fees and exchange rate upfront if you're converting to another currency. If you have a Wise USD balance, you'll get local bank details like routing and account number. Add those to PayPal as a withdrawal account. This lets you withdraw directly into Wise depending on your country. And that is how you can send USD PayPal to Wise.